Hey everybody, John from Equinox here. Today, I'm gonna share 3 mortgage hacks with you. Hack number 1, if you're a first-time buyer and you're looking to start investing in real estate, one thing that you could do is use an FHA loan to buy with only 3.5% down payment. The hack here is that you could buy a 2 to 4 unit property where there are already existing tenants, and the tenants will be helping you pay for your mortgage payment. Once you've lived in the property for a full year, then refinance out of that FHA loan and then go do it all over again. Hack number 2, if you're an independent contractor or you're self-employed and you have no means or way to prove what your income looks like with traditional tax returns or W-2s, we can get you qualified with a bank statement loan or a 1099 only program. You can use that program to purchase or refinance a home for you today. Hack number 3, if you were one of the buyers that purchased a home in 2022 or 2023 with ultra high rates in the 7% range using an FHA loan, now you can do what's called an FHA streamlined loan. It requires no income, no credit scores, and no appraisal, and you can now reduce your rates into the 5% range. That's it for today.